Hello everyone, what is the French manicure? The French manicure is one of the most easy recognized nail looks. We have seen many forms of the French manicure over the years as the trend changed. For example, we used to commonly see the white tips on square nails, but no many opt for a softer look with the almond shape and play with the different colors and a finish for a fresh and a fun modern take. Are there any tricks to make it easier to give yourself a French manicure? Silicone nail strips are a very popular tool for a dry French manicure. So anyone that any skill level can easily pull it off. A good topic top cost is also key to see everything in for a smooth surface and a neat tips. Why do you believe French manicure have become so a trend? I, I think the French manicure always comes back in the trend rotation because it can be easy, professionalized, and it a friendly nail art that goes with any fashion style, whether whether it's the traditional one colors or presented in different patterns of a combinant with fun nails decal like our Johnson nail applique. It can be simple or out of the box as you want. Do you perform a white tipped French manicure or with a twist? Something less is a more. So I always love a classic French manicure, but like playing with different colors for the burden Maxwell